The Cam Design Interactive Calculator for Motion Profiles determines displacement, velocity, and acceleration values for cam mechanisms at any given rotation angle. Let's examine the inputs. First, select your motion type from the drop-down menu. You can choose Simple Harmonic, Uniform Motion, Parabolic, or Cycloidal. For this demonstration, I'm using Simple Harmonic Motion. Next, enter the base circle radius in millimeters. This is your cam's starting radius. Then input the total lift in millimeters, the maximum follower displacement. The cam angle in degrees represents your current rotation position, accepting values from 0 to 360. Finally, enter the cam speed in RPM for your rotational velocity. Here's a worked example. With a base circle radius of 10 millimeters, total lift of 10 millimeters, cam angle of 10 degrees, and cam speed of 10 RPM, clicking Calculate Motion Profile yields these results. The displacement is 0.076 millimeters, showing the follower has moved this distance from its starting position. The velocity is 0.909 millimeters per second, the instantaneous speed at this angle. The acceleration is 5.4 millimeters per second squared, indicating the rate of velocity change. This calculator streamlines cam profile analysis for precise mechanism design. Find the link in the description below.